Bacon Chicken Ranch Pasta Salad, a summertime classic. This one is so simple and extra good because we're griddling up some chicken and bacon on the Blackstone, which I think brings this pasta salad to the next level. Let me show you guys how to make this pasta salad for your next summer cookout. For this Bacon Ranch chicken pasta salad, the star of it is the Blackstone Parmesan Ranch. Now I love this seasoning, so we're using it to make our dressing, which is Duke's mayo, some sour cream, we'll do equal parts. We'll chop up some fresh dill, fresh chives, and some fresh parsley, a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and now that Blackstone Parmesan Ranch, and we're going heavy on it. A little splash of milk to help loosen this up. We'll whisk this together. It tastes perfect. We're gonna slide it aside. Since this is a chicken bacon ranch pasta salad, we've got to get some bacon on to the griddle to cook. Flipping it back and forth until it's nice and crispy. On the opposite side, we're dropping down some chicken tenders into a little bit of avocado oil. We'll season with the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning, making sure to get both sides seasoned up heavily. Once this is just about cooked through, we'll cut it up right on the Blackstone. Another thing I love about cooking on the Blackstone is that you can cut right on it. We'll toss it around for an extra minute or two, then pull it off into a bowl, let it rest and cool. Our bacon is done. Let's take this off, chop it up as well, let it cool off for a few minutes. While our chicken and bacon cool off, we've got some green onions to chop up, slide them aside for later. Now I've already cooked 1 pound of rotini pasta. You can use any pasta shape that you want. We're gonna assemble this, dumping into our bowl our cooked chicken, our cut up bacon. I've sliced up some purple or red onions. I've also sliced in half some grape tomatoes. I've cubed up some Colby cheese, and lastly we'll add our green onions that we chopped up. Now, of course, like always, this bowl is too small, so we're gonna dump it into a bigger bowl so that we can toss this around freely. Then we'll grab that Parmesan Ranch dressing that we made with all those delicious fresh herbs. Give this a toss, mix it around. It smells so good. It's gorgeous. It's got every color in this pasta salad. We're gonna go back into our original bowl for presentation, giving this a post dust of both the all-purpose seasoning and the Parmesan Ranch, a little extra green onions, and this one is ready to bring to your next cookout, or you could enjoy this all week long. Maybe add some arugula or some fresh romaine right before serving. I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. I think if you bring this anywhere or enjoy this throughout the week, you really are gonna enjoy it just as much as I did. Did I just say enjoy like 5 times, Ethan?
Yeah, it's all right.
Either way, it's because I can't wait to enjoy this. It's good. Oh, it's really good. The dressing, the Parmesan Ranch, all-purpose.
You know what it could use?
What?
Regular ranch.
No, why make regular ranch when you get to have Parmesan Ranch and make your own?
For the creaminess?
If you tell me this pasta salad ain't creamy, I will tell you to go home and not come back. Come on, let me make you a bowl. You guys make it at home and tell Ethan how good it is.